4x4 shop. Today we install our latest Mercedes unit, which is the high resolution 1920 by 720 in the 2010 Mercedes GLK. That's where we put our flash mount camera, and this is the new style of the screen with the round edges. And as you can see, it's 1920 by 720. That's the look, and I just compare it with the older version. You can see how the corners are more fine, and that's the older screen, and this is the latest screen. So the resolution is high, the menu is different, it's super fast, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of hard. We can go back to the NTG mode. By touching the screen, we can go back to the aftermarket. We do have the dash, which it shows the RPM and the speed of the car, and also we can go to the apps. All apps are here, including offline maps. Backup camera is here with dynamic parking guidelines. So by turning the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guideline turns too, and also it retains the factory sensors. You can use Google Maps, Waze, or you can do our latest USB dongle to do wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And you can also watch video through the unit. The unit is super smooth. That's the offline maps. Obviously I'm inside, so there would be no reception. You can turn off the screen, turn it back on, and NTG setup is there. Bluetooth is here with Bluetooth music streaming. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. We do the tech support directly from Canada. During installation, if you have any problem, we can help you out, and also we do have 1-year warranty. And that's the back of the unit, so everything is filled up by the bracket that we have and no gap. Thank you and have a great day.